Mororo ma thogora mukiriku wa indo no mathiete na mbere na kuhutia sekta ngurani iria icungagiriria hari gukura gwa utonga wa bururi. Sekta ya urimi wa mahua na matunda niyo ya ica ikuhe kuhutio ni thina uyu, kuria riu makiria ma andu 500,000 aria marutaga wira sekta-ini magitigwo hatikaini ya gute mawira mao.
We are the largest employer, largest single employer as an industry of workers in this country. To that extent, therefore, we believe it's in the interest of the government to continue supporting us all the time, so that Kenyans can remain employed, but not just that, so that of course the country can also continue to get the much needed foreign exchange.
Munini wa muikareri gite wa ngwataniro ya wandikani sekta-ini ya urimi Wilson Odio oigite undu uyu ucungiririo ni kuongerereka gwa thogora wa indo cia urimi iria ihuthikaga migunda-ini ino.
A major one remains the cost of inputs, fertilizers. Not only are fertilizers more expensive now than is sustainable, but also even availability is a problem in several respects.
Odio ni ahithuritie ati thogora wa maguta, wagi wa fataraitha na gutebeba kwa wonjoria mabũrũri-inĩ ma nanja nĩ imwe cia itũmi iria icũngĩrĩirie gũtharara gwa sekta ĩno. Rĩu makiuga aruti wĩra kuma Naivasha, Mount Kenya, Nairobi, Thika na icigo iria cikũragia mahũa nĩo mahutĩtio na njĩra nditũ.
The increase in fuel prices has increased the cost of inputs and therefore obviously reducing the sustainability of our industry.
We will have some of the industry players closing down. We will have losses, direct losses of jobs, and this is going to be very bad for the economy of this country. As you realize, the flower sector actually employs more than 500,000 directly, and most of these flower farms are in the rural area. So it's really important that we sustain whatever we have, especially in the rural area.
Afitha munene ngwataniro-ini ino Wesley Ciele oigite igeria ria uria kwaranĩria na thirikari niguo kumahũthĩria ngarama ya wonjoria rĩtikinyanĩire, ũndũ ũrĩa wahota gũcũngĩrĩria mĩgũnda ĩmwe ya mahũa kũhingwo.
We have less freight capacity at the airport, and not only the availability but also the cost of freight has more than tripled, and this is affecting our ability to freight our produce to the market.
Some of our members, especially those that are in the floriculture, also have serious issues because of the effect of this war in Europe regarding markets. We also depend to a very large extent on imports for some of the inputs in our processes, and we are perhaps the heaviest users of greenhouses.
Tiga onjoria a mahũa, arĩithia a mahiũ onao nĩ magũmĩirwo nĩ wagi mũnene wa irio, no makoiga marĩ na mwĩhoko nĩ ikinya rĩa thirikari rĩa kweheria magoti ũgũri-inĩ wa mbembe kuma mabũrũri-inĩ ma nanja.
Because most of the ingredients includes maize, so we are looking forward to have this and to bring down the cost of livestock feed.
Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, Gĩtaũ wa Wanjikũ.